This is Mary from the GoodDollar team, and this is a step-by-step video guide to use your Good tokens to vote on the GoodDAO proposals using your GoodDollar wallet. Good is the governance token that the community uses to participate in the GoodDAO. And even if you don't see it in your GoodDollar wallet, you have some just by being a claimer, so you can participate in the GoodDAO. First of all, we're gonna open the GoodDollar Snapshot. Snapshot is the platform that we use to vote. Now we need to connect your GoodDollar wallet. So we're gonna tap on the first icon in the top of your screen. We're gonna tap on Wallet Connect. On this pop-up, we're gonna tap on QR code. Then on the bottom of this pop-up, we're gonna tap on Copy to Clipboard. And we're gonna go back to your GoodDollar wallet. Tap on Menu. Tap on Wallet Connect. You don't need to approve this. And paste the code. Now tap on Connect. Approve that you want to connect your GoodDollar wallet to Snapshot. And go back to Snapshot. Now, on the top of your screen, you can see that your wallet is connected to Snapshot. Then, click on Join to become a member of the GoodDollar Snapshot if you aren't one yet. You can scroll down and you can see the status of the votings. If one is open, you can vote. In this case, GIP9, continuation of election of community moderator, is active. So tap in that one to vote. Here, you can see what's the proposal about it. You should read so you can decide your vote. Then scroll down and you can cast your vote. In this case, you have the options to for, against, or abstain. I'm going to vote for, but feel free to select your option depending on your interest and what you think is best. Then tap on vote. And on the vote overview, you can see the option you're voting for and your voting power. That's the amount of good that you have. Good is a non-transferring token, so when you use it to vote on proposals, you don't lose it or transfer it. It always remains in your wallet, and you will be able to use it in another proposal. Then, tap to vote and go to your GoodDollar wallet. Sign the transaction, approve, and go back to Snapshot. Congratulations, you just voted. You can share it on Twitter. You can close. And if you scroll down on votes, you can see that you voted and what other people vote for it.